I'm Mike Sadler with Speed and Shine, and this is my 1971 Ford Maverick Grabber. And one of the things I've always wanted to do was to improve the ride on the inside of the car. It's got its long tube headers, it's hot, it's noisy, can't hear my tunes. So our good friends at Dynamat reached out to us and provided us some Dynamat Extreme to install in the car. Dynamat Extreme is the highest efficiency sound deadener available. It blocks noise, heat, and vibration. Improves stereo sound quality. Dissipates heat, it's thin, flexible, self-adhesive. Easy project, even I could do it. So this is Dynamat. As you can see, it is flexible, thin, multi-layered, very, very sticky. And it comes with this roller. But first, you have to strip out the interior of the car. But I already did that. I mean, really, how many times do you need to see somebody take a bunch of seats out of a car? Next step is to wipe down all the surfaces, some wax and grease remover, to make sure you get everything off so it sticks really good. Well, I started my first piece and I thought I'd dry fit it without taking the self-adhesive off. So now I know where I want to position it. I'm going to go ahead and remove just a little bit of it at the front. Not all of it. So maybe I could reposition if needed. Now there's a few things there I'm going to have to trim around. One is the kick down for the bright lights, and there's a speedo cable going through there, but we'll do that. There we go. And it's sticking. Boy, that sticks really good. All right. Reach underneath here. Peel more of it off. Well, it's coming right out. Go ahead and reposition it. Get straight there. All right. And we'll start rolling it in. It's sticking pretty good. There you have it, a couple easy hours of work using some very simple tools, some scissors, tape measure, razor blade knife, and this great roller that they sent. Pretty heavy duty, worked really well, and it's done. And I can hear a difference already. If you get a chance to upgrade your classic car or your everyday ride, this is a very simple install, cost-effective way to do it. Can't wait to put the interior back in. I highly recommend you get this for your hours.